Hello guys, welcome back with me again in the channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how you can easily add the hand drawing stroke outline to an object or a person in a video using the CapCut mobile. So here, just add a video with a clean object like this or person. And after that, go to Effect, click on the body effect. Now select the stroke category and then just find the hand draw stroke. Scroll down. Okay, this one, hand drawn stroke. Here you can always adjust it. You can adjust the color. I'm going to go with pink color. Here, adjust the size by swiping it to the left to make it small and swiping it to the right to make it bigger. Okay, you can also adjust the range. When you're done, just click on the check icon, and there you go. This is the result. And that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.